Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Voss, and today is Monday, February 1st, 2021. Here are the instructions for today's reading module. We are continuing to work in Reader's Workshop with the skills of theme and point of view. And today's lesson, which is Lesson 6 from Unit 3 from Lucy Calkins, we will be working on learning to think analytically. So I have put an anchor chart in the module, so please review this carefully. That does describe and inform you what analytically means. So you definitely need to know and understand that term in order to do today's assignment. So after reading that, if you need to take notes, you may do so. Then there are two handouts. It's really a front and back side of a handout, but I had to make it into two different PDFs. But I also have listed all of the short parts that we have read in Home of the Brave. And now we have read 8 different parts. So I have posted those on PDFs, and I need you to go back and look and review those because you're going to need to know these for the two handouts. Now, there are some questions on both of these handouts that you need to work on from Home of the Brave. So please make sure that you look back over all of the different parts that we have read together from Home of the Brave, and then you will be applying that with learning to think analytically with this book. So you will definitely need to know what analytically means in order to do today's work. So please take your time. If you have questions, you can always email me. After this portion of Reader's Workshop, then we are starting a new word wisdom vocabulary lesson this week for all 3 classes. For Mr. Kirchhoff, you will be working on Unit 6, Lesson 3. There's a pre-test on here, and you will have to do 2 workbook pages. Then for Mrs. Holcomb and Mr. Voss's classes, you will be working on Lesson 2 out of Unit 1, and this is the 6th grade edition for this vocabulary lesson. So again, Unit 1, Lesson 2 for Mrs. Holcomb and Mr. Voss's classes. The pretest is on here as a PDF for you to prepare and study for this week. And then you will also have 2 workbook pages to work on. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me. Then after this, you will work on the daily Moby Max lesson for 30 minutes. Please continue to work either on reading or vocabulary. Just choose one of those, and please take your time and work on that. After this, you will have a brand new reading log for the month of February. This is for the first week. Please make sure that you choose a book that is either fictional or non-fictional. Make sure that you record your minutes. Also make sure that you choose a question for you to answer and respond to this, and it has to be a thorough response to get full credit. I need you to write at least 3, 4, or 5 sentences, and they have to be complete sentences, not short, choppy sentences. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you have not taken the social studies test from last Friday or the word wisdom post test from last Friday, please do so. Also, please send me your reading logs from last week because that wraps up the month of January, and I have to let Mrs. Turner know who met the 500 minutes for the reading challenge from all 3 classes. So please send that to me through Canvas. That's it for today. So if you have any questions, email me at rvoss@yorktown.k12.in.us or send me a message through Canvas. Otherwise, have a great day.